What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This beat. I know it's been a long time, but still I am here. I am back here. I was just doing some work, so I wasn't able to upload a video. But now I'm back here and filming a vlog for you guys because I thought it was just like it's been a week or week and a half or something. I think it's been a week since I haven't uploaded a video. So for some time I'm gonna upload for a week and then let's see what's gonna happen. I am just testing out new things. So let's just get right into it. Safety is really important. Plus, if you don't want tickets, you have to put seatbelt on. So I know it's been a really long time and I wasn't uploading a video, but I wasn't like really excited for it to film a video and do something because I was really busy in some work. Like my college, I have my online classes, I have to give all the exams and all sort of things, all the assignments I get and all those things. So it's just not easy to do all that with this. I know it's not that difficult. I am glad that I am able to do this, but still sometimes I just like to take some time off and just do whatever I feel like I want to do. And the place where I live, there are such dumb people and they just don't give space while a car is coming. They just feel like they own the road and they're gonna pass there and the car just can't go through wherever they feel like. And they feel like a car is just like a cycle and it can also go in that same space. It can just go through that space. And I'm really pissed about those kind of things. I cannot say this to every single person. So yeah, finally I got my car fixed. Like mostly it is fixed. My window's working. That side mirror is also working. I don't have any problems. Power steering pump is fixed. Like there were few problems with this car and now they all are fixed and I don't have to like address them anymore, and I'm really happy about that. I don't have to feel like something is bad with this car and something is not working properly and I have to fix that all the time. I just don't have that buzz in my mind. So I'm really happy about that at least. And I'm happy with I am able to drive this car and it don't have like a big problem which I have to deal with, like I have to pay a lot of money for it. I don't have to do that sort of thing. I'm just happy with what I have. So I thought my university is gonna open and I have to go back to the university, but suddenly the cases started increasing, the COVID cases. They are increasing and I don't think so if our universities are gonna open till next year. Most probably they won't. I'm pretty sure about that. And I'm not sad about that. I feel like it's alright. It is happening to everyone, so why do I even feel sad about it? I think I'm happy. Like yeah, I'm at my house, I can go outside like this, I can roam in my car and have some fun, but still like I have everything. I don't have to fear about anything. Like I have the money I want, my parents are giving me that money. At this point I don't have to worry about that. So it's just bad for those people who don't have a job and who don't have a place to live at and all that kind of jazz, like which are having some real problems. But I'm pretty happy and grateful for this. And I don't take this for granted at all. Like since I'm doing YouTube, I have started doing some other stuff, so it's just like I don't take anything for granted. I don't know why, if you guys know this, like I am not able to, like it is really hard for my car, or for me at least I should say, for me to put my car in shorter gear. Like when I have to put my car in like second or first gear, then it's like really difficult for me to do that because my car doesn't allow me to and it is really stiff to do that. So I don't know what the hell is happening, and if you guys know what problem it is, you can just tell me that. I know it's not that big of a deal, I can just drive it like this too because I don't have that much problem with it. Like I know how to drive it like this, but still I just want to fix this. I don't know why this is happening. I think there is some problem with my clutch. Like it is not engaging 100%. That's why I'm not able to shift. Like that could be a reason. Yeah, definitely that could be a reason. So I'm just thinking about it. Let's see what is gonna happen. Like, I don't even know why there is this problem, but just by thinking of it, this is the only thing I can think of because of which this problem is happening, because the clutch is not engaging 100%. That's the only thing I can think of right now. Because what is the other case that can happen? It could be like there is some problem with my transmission, but my gears are not grinding, and I think I have pretty good amount of transmission fluid in the transmission, so I shouldn't have any problem with that. These are front wheel drive cars, so the transmission are like not that bad, and you can just look up to them. Like if you are driving normally, I'm talking about normal daily driving. If you are driving it normally, then you can just drive it and you won't be having any problems with the transmission with these kind of cars especially. But as you guys know, I got my car lifted, so this car is lifted and I got it lifted from the back, so it is not the best. Like in looks, it doesn't look good. It looks like a monster truck, but still I'm like, yeah, seriously, I'm saying I don't like it that much, but I have to do it because I have some work. By the end of this month, I have to do some work and I have to put a lot of like stuff in this car, and it's not gonna be easy to do that if I'm gonna have a lowered car. Like it was pretty much lowered, but it wasn't that lowered. But when people sat in it, the suspension was so like soft that it just sank in. Like my wheels were just touching my inner fender and all the inner liner. It was just touching that, which wasn't good. Like I wasn't happy. That was just rubbing when there were 5 people in my car. And at the end of this month, like there are going to be 5 people plus there are going to be a lot of stuff in my trunk. So I don't want anything to mess up in my car. So I'm pretty happy with what I have done with it, and I think it is gonna be a good option for my car. I'm not gonna have any problems with it anymore, I guess. And I can think I am getting pretty good at driving. Like I started driving regularly in January of this year. So I feel like I am getting at that level where I can do most of the stuff while driving. The thing is, the one thing I haven't achieved, downshifting properly. Like mostly I'm wearing slippers while I'm driving the car. I know I shouldn't do that, but mostly I wear slippers, so I am just dealing with that. But I think it's alright, I can just live with that. I don't have to worry about that. But most of the time when I'm wearing shoes, then I just like to downshift, and it is not the best downshift. Like it is not the smoothest, but I am getting into it. I am getting the hang of it, and I need to practice it more and more. But mostly I'm with someone, so I don't like to downshift when somebody is in my car. I just don't like that. Yeah, right now I made a U-turn because I don't want to go to that direction because there are a lot of red lights and a lot of jam. So I don't want to get stuck in traffic jam. So I'm pretty good. I made a U-turn and I'll go at the other direction. I wasn't thinking where I'm going, so that's why I came up here, but still I'm like, I am outside just to make this video. I had my class, so my class just ended. Like 5 minutes ago my class ended and I went outside. I came outside right now to make a video for you guys because it's been a week and I think I have to upload a video today. So I'm gonna film this video, I'm gonna edit it, and I'm gonna upload it. I know it's gonna be a big hectic. It's like, I think it's 2 o'clock right now in the afternoon, and I'm filming this video. I also have to edit it, and then I have to upload it by 8 PM. So it's not easy. I know it's a bit hectic, but I'm working on it, and I think like I have figured out some things what I need to change while uploading. I think my thumbnails are not that good enough, so they are not like catchy and people are not liking my thumbnails that much. I know they are okay, but I need to make more better thumbnails which are gonna make people like, yeah, I think I should click on this video. So I need to do that. I am thinking of making good thumbnails. I need to spend some more time on it.